Hello friends, welcome to Mockito Framework series. I am Sourabh Shrivastava and in this video we gonna learn about strictness setting in Mockito. Sometimes we stub our mock unnecessarily and Mockito encourage philosophy of strict stubbing. This setting helps in detecting unused stubs, less duplication, and this promote cleaner test and helps in improving productivity. We have three types of settings in Mockito. First is lenient, second warn, and third is strict stub. So lenient is the level 1 behavior and provides no extra strictness. Level 2 and level 3 is for warning. It just prints warning to the consoles and helps in improving the test. Third and most important is strict stub. So this is the highest level of strictness. It ensures clean tests, less duplication, gives more flexibility and productivity. By default, from Mockito version 4, this is the default setting for strictness in Mockito. So let's see some code examples how we can manually change strictness settings in Mockito. So guys, to understand settings for strictness, I have created a simple test class for data service example test. So it is taking this data service and data repository. So here in data service, I have a constructor data service and it is taking repository of data repository object. So if I check the test class, so it has a uh, simple stubbing of repository.save. Here I am not taking any argument measure, I am directly passing some value and returning true for this save method. If I run this class, it will run simply and it will just pass the test. So this mentions that our currently the setting is at lenient. So nothing is happening because still I am not using an argument matcher. It should give me some explanation that my uh, stubbing is not correct. Even I am not using any argument matcher, it is not giving me any error or any warning. So it should give me some warning that my stubbing is incorrect and I am not using any argument matcher. So let's see if I put some strict stubbing, what will happen. So first, let's see how we can manually override the setting for strictness. So there are three ways. First way is by applying it at class level. So in this, I am using a annotation Mockito settings, and in this, I am passing a value strictness dot strict stop. Second way is by applying it at mock level. So we provide mocks at two side in two ways. So we provide mocks in two ways. First is annotation. Second is by method. So if I applying at annotation level, so this is the way I need to pass the sickness here. And if I am using if I'm using a method, mock method, then I need to pass the settings like this. So these are two ways uh, in which we can apply the settings of strictness directly at mock level. Now the third way is by creating a session. So we need to use a Mockito session class for that, and we need to initialize that session like this. In this we have init mock method, so we do not need this method, and we need to create the mock object and provide the strictness like this. In this we also need a tear down method in with after each, in which we need to finish the mocking. These are few ways in which we can use settings. So for now I am just using a class level. So let's see what happens if I apply it at class level. I get a exception, unnecessary stubbing exception, and it is saying that unnecessary stubbing detected. Where it is detecting it? At this line. Let's see if I apply warn settings, what happens? It will pass my test, but it will give me some hint that my stubbing is incorrect. And by default, the lenient one won't do anything. It will just pass my test. Now, if I use strict stubbing setting and now I want to clear my test without any exception, then what can I do? I need to pass my test. So there's another way. So before when method of Mockito, we can use lenient method, and in this way we can tell Mockito that just leniently pass this line, or we can say some we are bypassing this setting, strictness setting for strict sum. Now my test pass. So this is the example for strictness settings in Mockito framework. Hope you like this video. Thank you.